Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am telling you some important questions on R.K. Narayan, the great Indian English novelist and short story writer. First question, what was the full name of R.K. Narayan? The full form of R.K. Narayan is Rasipuram Krishnaswamy Iyer Narayan Swamy. This Krishnaswamy Iyer was his father's name. It is a custom of South that after child's name, father's name is mentioned. When was he born? R.K. Narayan was born on October 10, 1906 at Madras. Next question, what was his father's name? His father's name was Krishnaswamy Iyer. Fourth question, when did he do his graduation? R.K. Narayan did his graduation at the age of 24 in 1930 because he failed. First he failed in high school in 1924 and then in intermediate in 1927. So he got his BA. He completed his BA at the age of 24 in 1930. Next question, what was his first job? At first he worked as a clerk. Later he did not satisfy with the job. So again he joined as a teacher in his village school. But soon after he left the job of teacher also and began to write novels and short stories also. He got eminence in this field and got wide popularity and recognition as an English novelist and story writer. Now next question, what was his father's profession? His father was a school teacher in Mysore. So when his father became teacher, he left for Mysore and R.K. Narayan has to stay with his grandmother. Next question, when did he marry? He married to Razam, a beautiful girl. We can say Razam was R.K. Narayan's beloved and he married with his beloved in 1934. And Razam was 15 years old at the time of marriage. She was much younger than R.K. Narayan. How many children had he? He had only one daughter named Hema because his wife Razam died after 4 years of marriage. Now next question. When did R.K. Narayan die? R.K. Narayan died in 2001. Date is 13 May. Next question. When did he start his career as a novelist? R.K. Narayan started his career as a novelist with his first novel, Swamy and Friends, in 1935. Who called this novel, Swamy and Friends, a book in 10,000? Graham Greene commented by saying this, a book in 10,000. Next question. When did R.K. Narayan get Sahitya Academy Award? R.K. Narayan got Sahitya Academy Award in 1960 for his novel The Guide. This novel was great. It has a great importance in R.K. Narayan's life. With this novel, he got great fame and this novel opened for him the gates of success. And Graham Greene called this novel a book in 10,000. Next question, when did R.K. Narayan get, Next question, when did he get Padam Bhushan? R.K. Narayan got Padam Bhushan Award in 1964. Next question, how many novels and short stories he wrote? R.K. Narayan wrote a dozen novels and 151 short stories. Next question, when did he get Padam Vibhushan? He got Padam Vibhushan in 2001. When was he awarded Benson Medal Award? R.K. Narayan got Benson Medal Award in 1980 by British Royal. Next question now. Write the contemporary novelist of R.K. Narayan. Contemporary means same age novelist. Mulk Raj Anand and Raja Rao were the contemporary novelist of R.K. Narayan. Now we will discuss about his works. His first novel Swami and Friends in 1935, then Bachelor of Arts 1936, Dark Room 1938, The English Teacher 1945, Mr. Sampath 1939, Financial Expert 1952, Waiting for Mahatma 1955, The Man Eater of Malgudi 1961, The Guide 1958, and this novel won 7 Filmfare Award. It also got Sahitya Academy Award in 1960. And Guide's subtitle was A Tale of a Reluctant Holy Man. This novel won 7 Filmfare Award. Very popular novel. And a film has been also made on this novel, The Guide. Wahida Rahman and Devanand are actor and actress. On R.K. Narayan's this novel, The Guide, a film has been made also, and film's name is also Guide, and its stars actress Wahida Rahman and actor Devanand. The Vendor of Sweets, 1967. Some points now. He got popularity as an English novelist and story writer. He was chosen member of Rajya Sabha in 1980. And he focused on education system. The time when he was chosen member of Rajya Sabha in 1980, he focused on education system. He wrote a book on tourism, and the name of the book is The Emerald Route. This book is also written in 1980. Malgudi Days. In 1982, the popular television serial in Hindi based on his short stories brought him name and fame throughout India.